In this video, we're gonna be testing out the K&N air filter versus the OEM one. We're gonna place a mic in the engine bay and we're gonna go for a drive with the OEM air filter, and then we're gonna go for a drive with the K&N air filter. We're gonna see if there's a sound difference. That's what I'm personally looking for. I know that there's a lot of drama, a lot of debate on the forums, on the internet about the filtration of a K&N air filter, about MAF sensors versus the OEM air filter being a better filtration filter. But for me, I'm looking for more sound. And also, whenever I replace my K&N air filters, I usually just either clean it really well and do it correctly, or buy a new one depending on the condition. So let's go ahead and compare the sounds. And for both tests, we're gonna be placing our mic right here facing the intake, and we're just gonna see if we hear a louder induction sound. So coming from an OEM air filter to an aftermarket air filter definitely adds some noise. I would say it added at least 25% more noise, which is awesome. I hear the blow-off valve more and I hear like the turbo sound more, which is awesome. Now don't get me wrong, I know that people talk about K&N air filters and oil filters not being the best for your car. I understand. There's other type of aftermarket filters that are also high flow that you could use that are dry filters. There's all types of them that you could find. My main thing is, do I get some more sound? Yes. Am I happy? Yes. And how am I gonna mitigate, K&N air filter drum that people talk about? Well, for me, I change my oil every 2,000 to 3,000 miles. In the summer, I do it every 2,000 miles, and the rest of the time, every 3,000 miles. And it's a really easy oil change to do. And that's the way I mitigate. And I also keep track of my air filter. I look at it, I make sure that it's still clean. All right, guys, if you found this video helpful, hit the like button. Make sure you check out the rest of our videos. We have a ton of videos for the Fiesta ST and the Focus ST. We're doing a bunch of cool videos, maintenance, upgrades, comparison videos. Make sure you check out our channel. Thank you. We'll see you soon.